In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix or resolve network adapter issues or the network adapter isn't working on your Acer desktop, tablet, or laptop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to search for troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, select where it says additional troubleshooters, and then underneath find and fix other problems, you want to scroll down and select network adapter, find and fix problems with wireless and other network adapters, and then run the troubleshooter and give that a moment. And then hopefully it should be able to resolve the problem automatically, and then you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.